During lockdown, let's be truthful, most of us did a bit more lounging around at home than we normally would. That might have involved sitting or lying on the carpet or rug, maybe even eating our snacks there while watching the TV. However, we mustn't forget that our carpets are part of flooring, where our feet usually go. You cannot avoid the foot traffic, or whatever is brought in on your shoes. The NCCA carried out a survey on cleaning and the UK home. Over a quarter of the people admitted to treading dog soil into their house and on their carpet. When examined, most carpets carry traces of blood, urine, vomit, feces, and other biological matter. And the more we walk in the home, the more we tread it into our carpet fibres. So the next time you're enjoying a slice of pizza on the rug with your movie, or jumping around the carpet in your trainers to online exercise classes, make a mental reminder to call a local trusted carpet cleaner. Our carpets should get a deep clean every 12 to 18 months to reach all those contaminants our vacuum cleaners can't.